Right. Now that we have a mapping, we can create an output P&L sheet. I will create a new sheet by clicking on the tiny plus button down here. And we can use the macro we saved earlier to format the sheet professionally. In this exercise, we can apply many tools we saw earlier. This is awesome, as it will reinforce what you've already learned. I will simply click on the Developer tab and then on the Macros button, and run the formatting macro we have here. Great! Let's copy the entire mapping and use paste special values to have it in this sheet. Okay, perfect. Now I can simply use the Remove Duplicates functionality to obtain a list of financials we will have in the P&L we are creating. Perfect. Given we are creating a P&L, we must add a few subtotal and total lines, right? If we subtract revenues from COGS, we obtain the firm's gross profit. That's why I'll add a gross profit row here. Gross profit minus operating expenses gives us EBITDA. EBITDA minus D&A is equal to EBIT. Once we subtract interest expenses from EBIT, we are left with EBT. Finally, EBT minus taxes is equal to net income. Okay, great. This is the P&L structure we'll use going forward. Let's add the periods for which we have historical data. I'll simply open the source sheet and copy the entire column containing year's data. Then I can paste values in the output P&L sheet and remove the duplicate values. Okay, so we have data for 2014, 2015, and 2016. Let's create a top row, which will indicate the unit of measurement of financials and the year they were registered. We will work with dollars in million, and I will indicate that here. Then I can simply copy and use Paste Special Transpose to paste the 3 years horizontally. Great, we are almost there. We have a pact that all output sheets will be formatted professionally, don't we? Right now, the P&L doesn't look too good, and we need to do something about that. We can use cell styles and format the P&L much faster. This is how it's done. I've pre-saved a header style. That's why I only have to select the header of the table and click on Header. The same can be done for general, subtotal, and total values. Super easy and efficient. And it can be even faster if you decide you want to use a shortcut. By pressing Alt, H, and J, you will access the Cell Styles menu, and then you can simply use the arrow keys to apply the cell style of your choosing. Awesome! Our output P&L table is almost ready. We only have to fill it in with numbers. We'll do that in our next lesson. Thanks for watching.